All right, we got the big saw out this morning because we got a big job this morning. Let me go show it to you. Well, here it is. So this is at the bottom of the neighbor's driveway. This came down about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and my brother and I came and cut enough for them to get through, but I was out of mixed gas that day and really didn't have the time to finish it. So it being nice out today, there's no sun, but it's pretty pleasant. Thought I'd come over here and see if I can make a dent at least on this side, if not that side. So this is pignut hickory. You can see the tree is dead. There's no roots there, so it just came over in the wind. Hickory's pretty good wood, so it'd be worth taking home. Let's see if we can hack this thing up. There we go. I had to stop and go sharpen the blade at one point because it was kind of hard to keep it out of the dirt here. I think you saw my process for rolling it up a little bit, putting some under it, rolling it back, and then you've got it lifted up. As long as you're careful and you have it blocked so the log's not going to roll on you, it's a good technique. Look at that Spalding. That's what that's called. That is beautiful. That's a big log. So depending on the weather, in a day or two, I'll come and put all this on a wagon and take it up to the house. But that's a good day's work for today. Thanks for watching day 11. If you like videos like this, hit like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate every view. I hope you have a great day. I don't know what that 044 weighs, but it's heavy.